Hey, if you want to use your POCO M6 Pro as a remote control, for sure you can do this. So as you can see here, I have my LG TV and it's actually working with my POCO M6 Pro. So how to do this? First of all, I'm gonna actually close this one. So first of all, you will have to actually open the quick settings and tap on the edit button, and you will have to actually locate the Mi remote button. As a default, it's added right here, so you have to click on plus and add it just here. Then click done, and after this you will have to go for the Mi remote, click on it, and now you will have to actually click on the plus in the left upper corner and select the device that you want to actually use. So there's like a couple of the different devices, but in my case I'm going to show you the example on the TV. So I have to select TV, and from here we can find the brand of the different TV. So we have to just locate your TV brand. If you are using Samsung, for example, just find Samsung, but in my case I'm using the LG, so I have to select LG, and I have to answer if my TV is turned on. So you have to turn on your TV and click on, and now you can find the different configurations. So you can actually find 7 configurations for the LG TV. So we have to start from the first one and just point your phone into the TV like you are doing with the remote control, and keep tapping on the volume up. If it doesn't work, you have to go forward and search for the available working configuration. In my case, this second configuration is working. So what I have to do is just to click yes if it actually works. Then I can set the device name. I can also pick for the quick rename for like living room, bedroom, wherever. I can also add the shortcut and click on paired. And now I've got this remote control that I can actually use with my TV. So here are some additional shortcuts. If I click on the right upper corner, I can find some other things, like for example I can show controls on the lock screen. So let's see if it actually works. Yeah, it looks like it is actually working on the lock screen. So yeah, now when you go back from this one and open the Mi remote, you can actually quickly go into your remotes. You can actually set here the couple of the different remotes, and that's how it works right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.